awesome. Okay, Nikki, could you move back a little bit? Yeah, good job. Nikki, are you gonna go to school next year?
Yeah.
Yes? You gonna go to preschool?
Yeah.
How big are you? How old are you now, Nikki?
3.
You're 3? Wow. Did you have a great birthday party, Nikki?
Yeah.
Who came to your birthday party?
Jacob and Mama.
Jacob and Mama. And what about Grandma? Did I come?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. And all your friends come?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, you had a big birthday.
And my brother James.
And his friend James, yes.
And Jack.
And Jack and Parker and Peyton. Wow, you had a great birthday, didn't you? Are you going to go to, where are you going tonight? Nick, where are you going tonight? Okay, you're being a wise guy now. You know I'm trying to get you in the picture. Where are you going tonight, Nick? Oh, we got to go now. Say bye.